Hello creators, thanks for joining EDITORIUM. Today we are going to create this, and this silhouette painting using Photoshop. This is our primary image. If you want to download, link in description.
First, import the image, then unlock it. Then select crop tool to make space where we can add moon.
Let's choose 1:1 ratio to make square board. Adjust it and hit enter. Cut out the horses. The easiest way to remove background in silhouette is by blend if, open layer style dialog box, by simply double click on right empty side of layer. Now we want to remove bright part of the image. Drag slider from white color to black, make sure the edges remain clear of the horses. To get back some details by pressing Alt key, click once on the slider, and it will break down into two. Drag right slider to right side. Play with the sliders and stop where you like. Then press OK. Refine the image by masking. Do not care about the legs of the horses, we will fix it later by growing grasses. Now add background image and convert it to smart object. Adjust it. Drag the background layer down to get appear it beside the horses. If you see some white edges, open layer style dialog box of horses layer. Adjust it once again by drag left slider to somewhat right. Now to add moon, make a empty layer between the layers. Then import the moon brush. To download moon brush, absolutely free, link in description. To import the brushes, choose brush tool, go to brush settings, then brushes. Click to the options and import brushes. Locate the downloaded file. Now, go to brushes and choose moon brush. Use bracket keys to make it smaller. Choose the color you want, and to use it, make sure you are using hard round brush with 100% flow and opacity. Click once. Now add glow to the moon. Follow the steps shown. In short, duplicate the moon layer multiple times and adding Gaussian blur to all, and increase blur gradually to different layers. If it feel too fast, then you can decrease speed of video. Bring the first moon layer, which is without any blur, we created to top of all moon layers to bring some details back. Now, put all moon layers in one group. I am going to add one more image. This step is optional for you. After import, convert it into smart object, adjust it, change blending mode to screen, then do some masking to remove hard edges of the image. Then add hue saturation layer to match it with the background. Now create one more layer above all, and import grass brush and smoke brush. Follow the same steps we do with the moon brush to import. And make both. If you see hard edges with smoke brush, just rotate it and apply once again. If it feel like the smoke is too dark, just decrease the opacity. Now merge visible all the layers into one layer. To do this, select all the layers, then press Alt, Ctrl, E simultaneously. Then convert this layer into Smart Object, and last apply Camera Raw Filter. Camera Raw Filter absolutely depends on you, just move all the sliders and stop where you like.
Prepare to die.
If you like this tutorial, make sure to give thumbs up and subscribe EDITORIUM. Thanks for watching.
Do not try to fight. Do not try to resist. You will be eliminated.